Do you want to fail as a product owner? It's pretty easy. Rely solely on Scrum and you'll get the job done pretty well. If you want to thrive, on the other hand, you must go beyond Scrum. Otherwise, you will become a stakeholder's puppet or a backlog owner. Anything but a value maximizer. Sadly, the industry is full of anti-patterns. It takes a while to understand how to identify them and overcome so that you become a value maximizer. But I may be able to help you accelerate your career growth. I've just created the course Product Owner Beyond Scrum. It will be 2 hands-on sessions. The first day, we talk about anti-patterns. I will help you identify them as fast as possible. And then I will share with you my tips how to overcome them. And the second session, we'll talk about product discovery, uncovering opportunities that are worth pursuing to create value. Do you want to fail as a product owner? Don't waste your time with me. Just don't join the course. Do you want to thrive? Join me and let's rock the product world.